Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. So I'm gonna be showing you how to replace the high low beam bulb on your 2007 to 2012 Toyota Yaris sedan headlight. You can do this on the car, but it's gonna be frustrating as hell because you have limited space. You gotta pull off a gasket, then you gotta try to get the clamp off the bulb, and so on. In my opinion, it's better to take it off the car. If you want to see how to get the headlight off the car, you can watch my VLAN headlight installation video. But here we go. So here's the headlight. Now on the back of it, as you can see, it has a little gasket. And these two tabs is to help pull it off. It prevents dust, water, a whole bunch of elements from getting inside the headlight housing. Once you pull this off, it's gonna be a little clamp, as you can see. Now what you want to do, let me try to do this. Push it in, and then lift it up, like that. And then here's the bulb. It has the high and low beam in the same bulb. Now when you get your new bulb, all you do is pop it in. And pretty much do everything in reverse. Now when you put this gasket back on, make sure you securely pop it all the way in. And once you got it in, make sure you push around the bulb. That way you seal it. And that's it. And that's how to replace the bulb outside the car. And you can only imagine how frustrating it'll probably be doing it on the car. So that's it. See you guys in the next one. Thank you.